Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic needs something huge in order to revive. Okay, now about $9.3 million gone already. $9.3 million have been pulled out of Tectonic token. Tonic actually been one of the best small cap coins. Actually, it's been hosted on crypto.com, and right now they just have crypto.com, VVS Finance, and just recently bought Kansas City that have listed this coin. So this coin have been experiencing a massive fall in price in the past few weeks. Okay, after hitting an increase from the beginning of the year, we are happy to see that Tectonic token was doing well, and suddenly you see the coin started dropping. So they need something huge to revive this coin, and one of the things they need right now is to burn a huge amount of Tectonic token. So I think they should start from the supply, the remaining supply. If they can just burn those remaining supply or burn some percentage of it, it's going to be helpful. And for some exchanges, I believe yes, except this coin continues to do well, continues to increase in terms of daily volume, in terms of market cap, that when you see exchanges will start coming in. But right now they are actually dropping, and it will be difficult to see an exchanger who wants to list a coin that is dropping, a coin that is losing in terms of market cap, that's of its community. So that was one of the things that helped Shiba Doge to really increase. When Shiba Doge was pumping, hit over $13 million increase on market cap within the period of 2 weeks. You see, exchanges started coming in. That was when you see Bitmart came in. Before you know it, L Bank was there. So this is one of the things Tectonic token needs right now. They need a huge investment. They need people to come in. They need this coin to keep doing well in order to attract top exchanges. Well, let's hope for the best, and I still believe yes, very soon Tectonic token will still increase in price once again. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.